Greetings everyone. Today, me and my group is going to explain about the job tasks we have chose for our final assignments in Introductions of Risk Management conducted by Dr. Henry. The job task we have chose was wiring. Before I start with the opening, I would like to introduce myself. I'm Timothy Princess, leader of Group Timah. The job task we chose was wiring. Why? Why wiring? Because wiring was the one job that really involved in a construction site. As you can see at the background, it's a condominium that's still under construction. Before we going through with the details explanations of our report and job tasks, we're going to go through with the background of the job task, objective of the report. Then we're going through with detailed explanations of risks, accidents, incidents, and near miss. Afterward, risk assessment process and hierarchy table. Lastly, with the reference. Now, we shall move to the next topic. It is background of the job task.
Hi, my name is Nura Azmina Elina binti Timah Idris. Today I will talk about our job task description. Working on construction can be very dangerous because the worker is exposed to high voltage energy and can cause fatality if they do it wrong. This worker is known as construction electrician, who is specialist in wiring installation and maintenance. Safety measurements have to be taken seriously because to avoid the hazard that can occur to the worker.
Hello guys, my name is Nathaniel Alvarez, and for the objective for the report, it is to identify the detailed explanation about risks, incidents, near misses and accidents that might happen during wiring. It is also to calculate risk assessment process related to the risk and hazards potential during wiring.
Hi, my name is Timah. As I'm standing here, I'm going to tell you all how we got all this information. As for job task, we got it from Health and Safety Association and Wikimedia. For detailed explanation, first risk. We got it from Cornell Eye Limited United Kingdom. Secondly, incident. Incident is from San Diego office and the schools. Thirdly, near miss, we got it from IMCA. And lastly, accident, we got it from San Diego office too. Thank you. That's all.
Hi, my name is Nathan Binti and now we're going through risk assessment process. For risk assessment process, the first thing that we have to do is identify hazard. The hazard that have potential to cause harm while doing wiring are as listed. The first one is the heat from the circuit if there are many devices plugged into it, and the second is ground fault, and the third one is the coil of wire that tackle to each other might activate the magnetic force. The following slide shows what we do and submit them. And lastly is hazard control. For PPE, we can wear full equipped PPE with eyes protector. For engineering, we can make a barrier for wearing staff and machines. For administrative, the higher ups can hold a briefing for safety hazard.
Hi, my name is Muhammad Faiz Farhan bin Alias from Group Timah. Today I would like to explain about near miss and accident. First, let me start about near miss. Near miss that make happen during wiring is exposed. Like electrical cable can cause fire at the workplace and even cause injury to the workplace. Next, I would like to explain about accident. Accident that have high possibilities to happen while wiring are, for example, firstly, electric shock. Second, electrical burn. Third is electrical fire.
Hi, my name is Muhammad Faris. Today I will tell you guys about detailed explanation. For the risk detailed explanation, the worker are exposed to the electric shock. It was such an intolerable risk, likely happen and extremely harmful. The charge conductor of our source might have a problem or not well balanced by the worker. It can cause shock when the worker accidentally touched directly or indirectly. Next is the incident detailed explanation. Wiring equipment are not placed properly, such as hammer, wire stripper, and utility knife are on the floor, which is it can cause injury when the worker accidentally stepped on it and might cause their blade bleeding.
That change